10 sub-box of heroin weight 122.14 grams from the possessions of 24 years of age named Anim Saha intercepted on 14 May. In the morning, acting on a secret information, a joint Naga checking was set up by one secret agency of C-20 BN CRPF, UC Bal, Jasbir Singh, US 3 Ravi Gill, AC AWOC, PS Delhi at Delhi around 700 hours, and during Naga checking at about 745 hours, recovered 10 sub-box of heroin weight 122.14 grams from the possessions of Anim Saha, aged 24 years. SO late Manik Lal Saha, RO Jogendra Nagar, Agartala, PS West PS of the state Tripura. The accused was carrying the heroin packets in a bag hidden inside vegetables and traveling in a magic carrier bearing registration number AS09C9521. The heroin packets were seized under the physical supervision of SDPO Bokajan. Wilson Bay Report, Karbi Daily News.
तो मेडिसिन है
Bagus tuh gue tanya.